Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sinampalukang Manok, starting with the essential ingredients. First, ensure you have 1½ kilograms of chicken, cut into convenient serving pieces. Gather 1/2 cup of young tamarind leaves, which give this dish its signature sourness. You will also need 1 medium onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger, all prepped and ready for use. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped garlic and sauté it gently until it turns light brown and smells wonderfully fragrant. Next, incorporate the sliced onions and ginger, cooking them for about 3 minutes until they become tender. Finally, add the chicken pieces, stirring them occasionally to brown all sides evenly. Now pour in about 6 cups of water or chicken broth, ensuring the chicken pieces are fully submerged in the liquid. Stir in 1 packet of tamarind soup base mix, or use 1/2 cup of fresh tamarind pulp for a more authentic taste. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat, letting it simmer gently. Cover the pot and cook for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the chicken to become tender. With the chicken now tender, it is time to add your fresh vegetables. Stir in 1 cup of green beans, cut into 2-inch pieces, and 1 cup of baby bok choy or spinach for extra greens. Season the soup with about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, add the young tamarind leaves and let them wilt for just a minute or two, infusing the broth with their unique tartness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.